Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you're going to need some needle and thread, scissors, T-pins, a dome cap, your bundles of course, hello. So these are the bundles we're working with today. These bundles are extremely soft. I actually love these bundles. So this is the closure right here. So I haven't done a closure in a minute, so I thought I would do a wig making video with a closure. I don't think I've ever done one before. I don't know. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. So right here, I'm just putting my dome cap on, and then I am literally just laying down my closure until it's just past the dome cap, just a little bit. And then I'm putting my T-pins in so that everything's nice and sturdy. So you want it to lay flat. So for it to lay flat, I literally just pick it up and then I lay it flat like so. I'm not really good at explaining stuff, so please watch the video, guys. And then as you can see, it's laying flat, so like put in as much T-pins as you need for it to lay flat. So once that's all done, I literally just pin it all up with my bubble, and then I go in and sew in it. So most of me sewing, it didn't really record, so this is the best you're gonna get right here, sorry guys. But all you have to do is literally just sew around the lace. That is it. I promise you it's not that hard. So then what I do is I go in with another bundle, well, like a track basically, and I go around and sew that on top of the closure, so that way that I know if I run out of like wefts, I know that I've got one right there, so there's not really a gap, and it really hides the glue because we're going to be using glue today because we're lazy like that. So all you have to do is literally, as you can see there, just keep gluing down the tracks. That's all you have to do. So this is the hot glue gun I'm using. I'll list it down below. I got it from Amazon. So as you can see here, I'm just gluing it on. It literally took me, what, 30 minutes to do this wig. And all you do is just cut, glue, and that's about it really. So anyways, as I'm doing that, let me talk more about this hair. This hair is very, very nice. It's very soft. It's from a hair company. Guys, wait for it. I'm just trying to pronounce it right. Pro Hair. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, but I will list it in the video. I'll list it all down below and everything. I'm not good at names. So anyways, on with the video. So I think this is my third bundle right here that I'm on. I literally used 3.5 bundles for this, so you really don't need all 4 bundles. You don't even need all 3.5 bundles. You could do 3, but I like my hair thick. So right now I'm literally cutting the wefts into small pieces, and then there we go. That's as close as it gets to the last weft there. So remember that we sewed in one before, a weft before, so it's fine. Like, it's very, very close to the closure. You do not need any gaps. So what you do now is you take off the closure, take off the wig, sorry, and cut that lace out, like that. Cut that dome cap piece out. I hope you're understanding me, guys. So I pop it back on my mannequin head, and then I literally just part it in the middle because I want a middle parting. You can do a side one if you want, but I wanted a middle one. So what I do now is I literally get my Lotto body. This is a mousse, and I go in with this mousse because you want it to lay flat. And this mousse, I love this mousse because there's no product build up. So basically, you can put loads on, but it won't be sticky. It won't be like heavy or anything. It's just basically, I don't know what mousse is, but this mousse is really good. Like, you don't really, when it dries, the mousse is basically gone. It just helps to lay the wig flat. So right there, I'm just using my headscarf and I'm tying it down for a couple of hours. So later in the day, as you can see my bald head, I'm putting the wig on and I'm just styling it and seeing how it lays. As you can see, it lays very nice and flat. So what I'm doing, I'm just curling the front parts just to see how it curls, and it does hold a curl beautifully. If I had more time, I'd have curled the whole lot, but I don't. So I'm just curling it up, and right here, I want some volume. So what I do is I curl, like I lay the hair the opposite way, so that way when I flip it over to the other side, there's kind of like a volume. That way you don't really have to tweeze it. Is it called, not tweezing? Tease the hair. Sorry, tweeze. What am I on about? Tease the hair. So it's just easier way not to tease. Tease. Is it called teasing? Yeah. Wow, Gabs. But anyways, I think you know what I'm talking about. So this is the hair here, very nice, it's very soft. There's been no shedding so far. I really love it. So yeah, check them out. I'll list them all down below, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.